Join me as I take on the challenge of tasting giant candy bars from around the world, all in one epic sitting. Today, we're going to embark on a sweet adventure, exploring the world of giant candy bars from various countries. From Japan to Germany, and from the UK to the US, we're going to dive into the diversity and creativity of candy making. It's not just about the size, it's about the unique flavors, ingredients, and cultural significance behind each candy bar. Finding and tasting these giant candy bars all in one place is no easy feat. I've had to scour the globe, searching high and low for these sweet treasures. The limitations of location and availability have made it a real challenge, but the payoff is well worth it. I've had to get creative, using every resource available to get my hands on these giant treats, and trust me, it's been a wild ride so far. From specialty stores to online marketplaces, I've left no stone unturned in my quest for the ultimate giant candy bar experience. But it's not just about the hunt, it's about the experience itself. Imagine being able to try giant versions of your favorite childhood candies, or discovering new and exotic flavors from around the world. That's what we're going to do today, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Whether you're a candy lover, a foodie, or just someone who loves trying new things, this video is for you. As we travel through different countries, we'll be showcasing their giant candy bars from the familiar to the unknown. We'll explore the ingredients, flavors, and cultural significance behind each one, giving you a true taste of the world's candy culture. From Japan's Pocky to Germany's Ritter sport, each country has its own unique take on the classic candy bar. First up, we have Japan's giant Pocky, a cultural phenomenon that's taken the world by storm. This giant version of the popular biscuit stick is dipped in rich, creamy chocolate and sprinkled with crushed peanuts. It's a game changer. Next, we have Germany's Ritter sport, a giant version of their iconic square-shaped chocolate bar. Filled with a delicious hazelnut cream, this candy bar is a masterclass in German engineering. But that's not all. We also have the UK's giant Cadbury Dairy Milk, a beloved favorite among Brits. This giant version of the classic milk chocolate bar is filled with a creamy, dreamy filling that's sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. And last but not least, we have the US's giant Snickers, a behemoth of a candy bar that's packed with peanuts, caramel, and chocolate. It's a calorie bomb just waiting to happen. So, which one of these giant candy bars stands out from the rest? That's what we're going to find out in just a minute. We'll be putting them all to the test, comparing their flavors, textures, and overall awesomeness. But trust me, it's going to be a tough choice. After tasting all of these incredible giant candy bars, I have to say, one of them truly stands out from the rest. The giant Pocky from Japan is a game changer. The combination of crunchy biscuit, creamy chocolate, and crunchy peanuts is absolute perfection. But don't just take my word for it, you'll have to watch to the end to see the full taste test. As we wrap up this epic adventure, I want to thank you for joining me on this sweet journey. We've explored the world of giant candy bars, discovering new flavors, textures, and cultural significance behind each one. It's been a wild ride, and I'm so glad you were a part of it. So, what's your favorite giant candy bar? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more epic food challenges, be sure to check out my other video, where I take on the world's hottest peppers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.